Hey everyone, my name is Kyler Middleton, and welcome to my course, Cisco DevOps 300-910 CI/CD Pipelines. I am a principal DevOps network architect, and I live in the healthcare industry at the nexus of infrastructure and DevOps. DevOps is eating the world of IT operations. Every company wants to be stronger at DevOps, and every IT engineer knows that their ability to combine traditional operations knowledge with cutting-edge automation and development practices is already becoming make or break. In this course, we're going to deep dive into CI/CD pipelines, focusing on the incredibly powerful and popular Terraform, a general-purpose infrastructure provisioning tool. We're going to cover DevOps code practices, test all code early and often, the common tools of DevOps, Git, CI/CD definitions, and Terraform provisioning, how to build, diagnose, and repair all the automation we've created, going beyond the provided examples, integrating custom or third-party tools into our pipelines. By the end of this course, you'll feel comfortable building pipelines and infrastructure with code and automating the heck out of it. Before beginning this course, it'd be helpful to be familiar with Terraform, Travis CI, and Git, but if you aren't, come along anyway and learn along the way. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn CI/CD and DevOps automation with the Cisco DevOps 300-910 CI/CD Pipelines course at Pluralsight.